If you're looking for a cute cottage here in tropical Belize, this may be the home for you. Behind me is a new home at Carmelita Gardens that is just coming on the market. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a loft space. Construction was just completed in October 2023. Unfortunately, the seller has to go back to the States. She wasn't anticipating doing that. She was planning to have this be her retirement destination, but unfortunately, we know life changes. And so here, this is your opportunity to own a brand new home that has never been lived in full time. She has just come and gone, and you'll see once we go inside how incredibly beautiful it is. So let's go take a look. Upon entering the home, there are a few things that you're going to notice. The first one is the vaulted ceiling with the cupola on the top. The second is the amount of natural light that you'll see in the home here. And the third is the open floor plan. And I absolutely love how open it is. It feels very spacious. And there's even room right over here for an island if you're somebody who needs a little bit more counter space here, if you're someone who likes to cook in the kitchen. Now, as we look around the kitchen, you will notice a few features. For the first, it's quartz countertop. In addition to that, there is a farmhouse sink. And then also, lastly, she has stainless steel appliances. So something I do want to notice, and have you know about Carmelita Gardens, is that it is a completely off-grid community. So this home that we're in right now runs entirely by solar. So even though it's run by solar, I will tell you that the owner has spared no expense at making sure that all of her needs were covered with having enough solar. So in all of the rooms, you're going to see split AC units. She also has full-size appliances here, and you'll see that she has just paid really close attention to detail when it comes to the finishes of her home. In the living space here, you'll see furniture. This furniture does come with the home. There are a few pieces throughout the video that are not going to be included in the home, such as the chairs around the dining room table, and then also the table outdoors. But this furniture she did import. This will remain here in the house. If you want to add a TV, you certainly can do so, but this was a place for her to unwind, relax, or perhaps head outside to the screened porch and just simply enjoy the environment. And remember, there's this loft space, so you can use this as an office space or for extra storage, or if you want to put a bed up here when you have guests, they can certainly sleep up here too. There are outlets up here, so if you do want to make it an office or if you want to plug anything in, you do have that convenience right up here in the loft. And then as you look up, you have the cupola right here above us. In conclusion, this home is about 1,200 square feet of interior space and about 600 square feet of exterior space. Right now, we're in the back porch. It is screened in, so you have plenty of room here if you want to add a grill, if you want to add additional outdoor seating, and you're going to be looking out over here to the green space. So this lot in total is about 1/3 of an acre, and as you can see behind me and to the side of me, there is more space if you want to be doing some more gardening. Here in the Cayo district, this is a district that is very well known for the fertile soil. So if you have a green thumb, or maybe even if you don't, that's okay. You can still plant a seed and watch your fruits grow. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a loft. If you're interested in learning more, please do reach out to us, info@lunarealtybelize.com, info@lunarealtybelize.com, and you will see the listing link in the description below. So make sure you're clicking below in that description area to find additional information. In there, you'll be able to find more about Carmelita Gardens and also more about the specs of this specific home. And of course, the listing price, that's always important to know, but feel free to reach out to us, info@lunarealtybelize.com. My name is Rachel Jensen. Thanks for listening.